Hello students, let's we learn our next lesson, disaster management. Can you tell what events do you see in these pictures? In these pictures we see earthquake, drought, flood, fire, storm, volcanic eruption. What would you have done in these situations? In this situation, I would have tried to save my life. Have you experienced such a situations yourself? Answer may be vary. No, either yes or no. Why do these events occur? These events are disaster and some occurs naturally and some are man-made. According to you, what can be done to deal with such a disaster? To deal with such a disaster, take help of some elders or ask for help immediately. Be alert and use first aid or get some immediate aid and even before medical treatment becomes available. Disaster. Delay caused by heavy rain. Village mine destroyed due to landslide. Tamil Nadu heavy rains. What is a disaster? A sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation or society is called a disaster. What disaster can occur in school or on the way to school? Disaster that can occur in school: fire in the school building, experience tremor of earthquake, school building collapses, in one of the classroom collapses, that slab, getting injured while playing, getting an electric shock. Disasters that can occur on way to school: you meet with an accident while crossing the road or school bus meets with an accident area near school gets flooded. Disasters are two types: man-made and second natural. Classify the following disaster as man-made or natural: fire, earthquake, leakage of chemical gases, storms, floods, tsunami, bomb explosion, collapse of a building, war, forest fire. Man-made disasters: fire, leakage of chemical gases, bomb explosion, collapse of building, war, forest fire. Natural disasters: earthquake, storm, floods, tsunami, forest fire. Earthquakes: movement in the interior of the earth releases tremendous amount of energy which causes seismic waves leading to movement of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such a vibration on cracking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that besides other causes, man-made causes like mining and construction of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. Effect of earthquake: destruction of infrastructure, that is building, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Change in the direction of the flow of rivers. Huge loss of life and property. Floods: a frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is floods. Due to excessive rains in the same place, river overflow its banks causing a flood. The water drainage system is a big cities fall short when there is a heavy rainfall resulting in choking of gutters and drainage. Water overflows on the roads and surroundings and even enters nearby houses. Effects of floods: huge loss of life and property, soil erosion, destruction of standing crops. After effects of flood like spread of diseases and epidemic affecting the health of the people. Storms: the formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes changes in weather resulting in strong winds or storms. Effects of storms: great damage in the storm affected region, tremendous losses to life and property, destruction of electric supply, destruction of transport and communication. Forest fires: a forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture or grassland due to a natural or man-made causes. Forest fires spread at tremendous speed. Effects of forest fire: great damage to natural wealth and biodiversity, pollution of air. Can you tell how many children are there in your class at present? There are 50 children in my class at present. Answer may be vary. What would happen if 5 times this number sat in your class? In 5 times these numbers sat in my class, the classroom would be crowded. There will be utter chaos. Which kind of disaster can occur in an extremely crowded places? In an extremely crowded places, there can be panic in the classroom, stamped while going out of the classroom, breathless among fellow students. Disaster management: community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking steps to prevent disaster, making plans to face disaster, and developing the capacity for that, it is called disaster management. To prevent the reduce of damage causing by natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required. Institute at work. The National Disaster Management Authority was established in 2005. It undertakes planning and implementation of disaster management work. Always remember, during a disaster, helping and supporting each other is our moral responsibility.